the national planning framework was the guts of it and was the really important bit. It is. Because this is the bit that is going to provide the strategic and regulatory direction, blah, blah. That's the rules. That's the specific rules. So, it says it's going to be more comprehensive and integrated than the RMA required. I should bloody well hope so, because it was useless, quite frankly. It didn't define anything in terms of rules. It just had really vague words, and there were no targets, no limits. It was supposed to have all these national policy statements, which never got written because they were far too political. And so basically it didn't have any targets in it. And if you wanted to protect something, you had to go to court. And then the lawyers decided. And that's bullshit. For this legislation to actually have the targets in it, the rules, the limits, the outcomes specified and defined, is really important. So it says that this planning framework will play a critical strategic role setting limits and outcomes for natural and built environments. Limits for built environments. That's important. Limits. But outcomes for natural environments. Okay, so this is really important to get right. This is the most important thing. If these things are too lax or too low, then we're not going to save anything. We're just going to continue to see gradual attrition. But it is in order to enhance the well-being of present and future generations. So that's important. The intent is good. It's about how it works.